Hey guys, today we are going to be making cookies. Yay! So this is what we're going to be doing. So we'll got it there.
We're going to set the oven for 350.
For 350. 350, Mom. Wow, it's already right there. And I'm going to be putting some on this one. My mom's going to be putting hers on this. Mom, what's in there? What are those? We are back and the cookies are out of the oven. And this is my batch. And that's Mommy's batch. They look so good. Have it cool down.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one. Bye.